So this is the Euro-Yen analysis for Thursday, the 28th of September. Now, what have we seen? Price has come down to this moving average here in black. Now, it has not come all the way down to the level I identified being at 31.70. We've come close, but as the saying goes, close but no cigar. Now, price has slowly ground its way back up. We did have this big selling candle here, which is likely news related. 3 p.m. It's likely something to do with US data, like some consumer sentiment or something. Affecting 3 p.m. 3 p.m. on a Wednesday. We do have crude oil inventories. They usually have some consumer sentiment, PMIs, and so on. US related data could potentially see some selling euro. But let's talk about what we see on the charts. Okay, the market's opened at 33.45. We're currently trading below that, so that being the most important pivot for me, I do hold a bearish bias. Now, we have come all the way down to potential support, and we do seem to have caught a bid. If we were to have a look at this chart as present, we would say we did have a low over here. We've had a lower low, but we've now posted a higher low. Today, we've posted a higher low. With momentum, it appears to be going to the upside. So, we could potentially see, if prices do continue their upward trajectory, a retest of the 200 period moving average up at around 33.20. Above that, the weekly pivot 33.45, and if we do run all those levels, 34 becomes into focus. 34 does come into focus then, where we weren't able to hold above that level. It would come into focus. Overall, on the monthly time frame, what are we seeing? We are on track for a bullish monthly close on the euro yen. That would be the 6th consecutive month. Yes, it would be the 6th consecutive month of bullish price action on the euro against the yen. Because let's be honest, this month's candle opened at, say, 31. We're currently trading at 32.60. We're not likely to see a 160 pip drop over 2 days. On the matter of fact, I do think there is some Japanese related news coming out this week. I'm not sure if it's already come out, but yeah, we do appear to be on track at present for I did say 31, didn't I? Oh, it's 31 is in focus actually, looking at this chart. Let me let's double check. Let's just have a look at this just to make sure I've not jumped the gun a bit there. Let's just zoom in, and let's just make sure this candle opened at 130.95, so 131. And if I go down to the hourly charts, because we did come quite close to 31.70, we're currently trading at 32.59, 31.70. So I suppose it could be argued that 31, depending on news related activity, it does over 2 days. It's not impossible for price to reach it, but at present, price does appear to be reversing and heading towards the tests of the 200 period moving average, the weekly open, and possibly eventually the 34. Overall, in accordance with my system, I am holding continued short-term, cautious, let's just word that differently. I'm cautiously bearish the euro yen in the short term. Overall, on the long term, however, I am bullish based on the price action I've seen over the past couple of months. Due to the fact that we've seen candles closing near the highs, suggesting that buyers are really in control of this market. If we do see this month close at a doji or pretty close to it, it could just be a case of the buyers resting. Although we do seem to have had, especially in light of the analysis on the euro dollar, some euro weakness. Now the yen has not been strong, so the euro weakness coupled with yen weakness means that the euro has not sold off as much against the yen as it has other pairs. But so overall, long term, I do remain bullish. Short term, I do hold a cautiously bearish bias. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.